Alright, hello everybody. So this is gonna be the first backtesting session of the channel. I'm gonna I'm gonna start consistently doing this like each day I'll post like a market recap, and I'll also post the backtesting session because I like to backtest a week each day. So yeah, and I won't post it like for example like on bank holidays, right? Like I never trade bank holidays. So like I won't ever post a trade recap like on a bank holiday or like a market recap because like or who trades bank holidays? So yeah. All right, let's get into it. So we're gonna backtest today. We're gonna backtest this week of May right here. My May 26th to May 30. May 26th was a bank holiday, so I already skipped that. And yeah, and this is like I don't remember any of this price action. Like, this is like basically like new. Like just looking at it, like as if I never looked at it before. Like I don't remember any of this price action, so it's like legit. I mean, you'll be able to tell because I'll probably take like a couple losses. Hopefully not, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Um. Okay, let's see what's sponsoring this whole trend up. So, okay, okay. So we're bouncing off this daily gap. We have a new week opening gap down right here from last week. Um, that's something to note. Yeah, this new week opening gap, and then we also let's close that. Computer's kind of lagging. Okay, bouncing off this daily gap. Um, we're disrespecting these bearish gaps, respecting bullish. This low is not protected anymore because we took out these objectives. We could deliver from here, like we could use that sponsorship to go back down to this low. So there's a reason for shorts, I believe. Is London low protected? London low, London low did not manipulate into anything. However, the trend is clearly bullish, guys. Like, we're respecting these bullish gaps, respecting this daily bullish gap, we're delivering from that. We could be just completing this like buy side of the curve. We're literally like in this market maker buy model, probably on this daily time frame have like nice accumulation as well. So it's looking like a clean market maker model. However, I feel like it would have been much better if we filled the NWOG and then did it. So because we didn't come to the NWOG, I feel like there's still a narrative for shorts. However, I think this low is gonna be protected until we take this out. Yeah. So yeah, that's my thoughts. So I either wanna see and it looks like we're bouncing off this bearish gap and these highs. So either we go like this, take out London lows, right? Or like we could go like this as well and then just start expanding higher, trying to complete this move. Um, so there's like a couple scenarios. So either we go to London lows and then like get like a long opportunity like this and then target that, or we take this out, this hourly intermediate high. Then if we get like a short setup, I think shorts would be kind of nice as well. Um, cause I feel like there's a strong narrative for it. Like if okay, like bro, if we did not like if this low was still protected, then like I wouldn't short. But I like this like it completed its move. We took out these highs, so this low is not protected anymore. We could probably short to this 4 hour intermediate low. Um, and if we start delivering, if we do something like this, then that means this high is protected until we take this out. So yeah. Okay, let's just see what market open does. So it's like 30 minutes before market open. Okay, looks like we're going. Okay, what are we rejecting off of here? Rejecting off this 15-minute ITH. So we're still respecting these Um, okay, we have SMT with this, so um, I won't be surprised if market open just dumps right away. Okay, let's see. Don't want to confuse myself with this here. Alright. Okay. Okay, I think we hit it. I think we hit London low. No, never mind. The London low is right here. Oops, bro. I didn't even mark anything out on ES. Okay, whatever. Um, I've okay, okay. From here, okay, we left a nice fair value gap above. So, hmm, I kind of want to take back longs, but at the same time, I don't. Cause if we're delivering from this, um, then this high is protected until we take this out. So I'm not super confident in Mac. Let's see. Okay, we have. Okay, this 5 minute gap is opening up in like literally like a minute. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what we do with this gap. Let's see what we do with this gap. If we respect it, okay, if we respect this gap, bro, I won't be surprised. I'll take continuation shorts down here, and if we disrespect this, like I hope we can like form like a bullish gap right here, and then like just take continuation longs. Oops, could take continuation longs. Whoa, what just happened? Yeah. Um. Yeah, we feel like the most discounted gap as well. But that's the thing. Like, I want to see this get taken out then long, cause I don't like how that high is. Like, I think it's protected, man. Let's just see what we do here. I'm more open to shorts. Okay, we got a short setup. I can't access the 2 minute or the 5 minute, so I don't know what the I mean the 2 minute or the 4 minute, so I don't know what the high time frame version is, but I actually feel like this is not a bad trade, bro. Like we have a nice I'll keep my stop loss here, cause yeah. Um, I think it would have been more ideal if we made a failure swing with this, but okay, if this trade doesn't play out, then it's cause we already took out a low, which like we already took out like an ideal target, like unprotected limit lows. Um, do we have anything at our stop loss? No. There's no 15-minute gap at our stop loss. This looks like a good trade, bro, honestly. Like, this doesn't look too bad to me. Let's just take this and see what happens. I'm gonna just target this. And there's no point to go, like, break even. Like, it's this is either, like, a win or lose kind of trade. Like, I don't know where you would go break even here. That could be something to note about this trade. Okay, at $500. Okay, we get stopped out like right away. Okay, it's just going up. Okay. Alright, we left off. Okay, I'm not gonna like. Okay, after a loss, like I never ever take a trade. Like I don't take a trade after a loss because I feel like it messes up with my like my psychology. So yeah. Okay, looks like yeah, we use this low. So I was basically trying to target a low that swept something. So that's what I did wrong here. Um. Alright, yeah, bro. So my trade idea was just incorrect. Okay, the main thing to take away from this is we already took out sell side liquidity, like a form of sell side liquidity, um, prior to the entry. Like, and even before the trade, I said like, okay, if we made a failure swing, then this trade would have been much better. But the fact we we didn't like my bad. I lost my train of thought, but I'm just trying to think. So we used this lower time frame gap to sponsor a move down, which this lower time frame gap was sponsored by this sweep. So the continuation confluence is good. Um, yeah, the main thing is I feel like what I did wrong here was I just targeted a low that swept something. It would have been more ideal if we had left a failure swing, but yeah, yeah. What I should have done here is I should have waited for a condition to open up, like this bullish gap, and then like if we came here, okay, yeah, like if we came here and then like if we did something like this where like we like wicked into this like super like nicely and then like we inversed this gap, right? Then I think it would have been like good, but yeah, okay, so okay, don't okay. I'll journal, like I'll look back at the video. I'll look back at this video and then like journal everything. But the main thing to take away from this is to not. I think what the main thing to take away from this is to not target a low or a high that already took out something. Like if your target gets taken out, then you should wait for more confirmation. Like this kind of setup would be good if we like did not take out this low. If we made a failure swing, but the fact we did just ruins the probability by a lot. But the reason why, like, even though like I saw it at the beginning and I still took it was because I saw this high as like protect rate and like for this for the move to be done, like I was thinking like okay like we should take this out, but that did not end up happening today, so that's just something to take note. So whenever we take out a lower high, don't target that like for continuations. That's my main thing to take away from this. Alright, let's move on to the next day, or actually let's just continue playing price out, see what it did. Like I don't think there was any if I didn't take this trade and I was like leaning to longs, like um I would have seen this high as protected, so instead of like taking, or wait, actually wait, was there like a mech long? Wait, was there like a 3 minute? No, wait, there was this, okay, there was like this right here, and then you could have gone break even right here, and then you could have taken this mech long on this day, but yeah, so yeah. All right, that's quite interesting. All right. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about today. Once we oh yeah. Okay, yeah, once we took out this low, like I should have been way more careful cuz that meant that this high was now unprotected. Like if we did not take out this, like the objective of the objective of this manipulation, like this sponsorship, was to take out this unprotected London low. So once we took it out, like I should have just been way more careful. And yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next day. Okay, yeah, we start chopping after distribution. So after distribution, that okay, this is another thing that just goes to show, like after distribution, bro, like after you take out like some ideally good targets, then you can just expect price to start accumulating. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to the next day. Okay. We're trending bullish. We have this buy side above. Um okay, ES is like way lower. I guess we have this. We have SMT with that actually. Wait. Oh wait. 10 Wednesday 21 May 2025. Wednesday 10 May 21. Wednesday 21 May 10 o'clock, and this is 10 o'clock. Okay, no, it's the same high. Alright. Then that's good. And okay, yeah. Okay, we're obviously bullish, respecting bullish gaps. Not we're disrespecting buy side. We don't care about these highs. Like we're just breaking through them. Respecting these bullish gaps. Did London manipulate? No. So today's daily profile is London. I mean London Judas, because after London closed, then we manipulated into this key level, and then we just do not care about this high. So ideally, in my perfect, like the perfect thing I want to see today is manipulation into the wait. Let me check how long the video is already. Okay, it's 14 minutes, bro. Okay, ideally I want to see something like this happen, But if that does not end up happening, and if we just rip higher, then I mean, there's not a clear narrative for longs after that. Um, I feel like whenever, whoa, why is my thing bugging out? Okay, I gotta refresh this. But like every time like I've taken like a long like that, like once we take out the ideal target, and I still like try to like take a trade and like try to force the trade, like bro, I've always like lost those kind of trades. So I feel like after we take that high out, then there's not like, then it's just like it's either shorts from here to like rebalance, or then just yeah. So ideally, like I want to see this because I want to follow the trend. But if we take this out, start like, and if we get like a like just nice like internal structure, then like maybe I could short. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's just play out price. I hope we open lower, but okay, we're close as hell to the gap. Okay, market's opened. Okay, we just made a failure swing with the gap. Wait, unless ES took it out. No, no, no. We actually made a failure swing with the gap. Okay, so I feel like this is a good narrative for shorts, right? Like if we end up taking out that high, then we can target this. I feel like this is a good target for shorts. Okay, let's see when we end up getting shorts or longs. Okay, we're getting shorts. Let's see. Okay, there's a 5 minute gap right there. We open a new 5 minute gap in like a sec, in like two, in like a second now. Um, was there any mech entry? No, there's no mech. Short. Um. Okay. Okay. I mean, my like. Okay, yeah. Like I knew these were gonna be good targets, but I don't. I just there was like no proper entry here. Like if you took this, bro, like um. if you took this, we were like literally inside of this like 5 minute gap, bro. And you do not want to be trading against that 5 minute gap. So, yeah. Okay, now that we took that out, now I'm like unsure. Like this is kind of a tricky situation now because we could either respect this. Let's see how we react off of this. Like if we seem to care about this, then like I think longs would be okay. But if we like okay, now since we took out this high, now like I kind of want to see like okay, like just like delivery lower to this 4 hour ITL because this low is unprotected now because we took out the objective. So let's just see. Let's see if we open up a condition. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is my bad. This is a good condition. So if we respect if we tap into that and then respect it, then I'll be open to shorts, and if we disrespect it, then I'll be open to longs. Or we could catch a nice mech long here if we get a resweep. Okay, I bet you there's something on the 2 minute or the 30 second, but I don't have access to those charts, man. So if there was a mech long here, like never mind. I would never enter a trade. I would never enter a long here anymore because there's literally LR being generated. At the stop loss, I want to see price take out this. I want to see a resweep and then inversion long. Holy chop, bro. Okay, and I'm not trading that inversion because we just made a failure swing with that low. Unless we made SMT with it. Okay, we have SMT crazy LR on ES. If we inverse this, it doesn't look that bad. Clean inverse, clean inverse. Okay, I don't like how we respected that gap first. Okay, yeah. Trade ideas invalidated. I mean, yo, actually no, it's not invalid because we did just resweep this on NQ. Okay, we got a clean inversion. We this actually does not look bad, bro. Come on, this actually does not look that bad. The only thing I don't like is we're entering. Usually, I like to enter my trades around like. Okay, wait. Let's see what the 4 hour PO3 did. Okay, low could be confirmed. High, where was the high made of this 4 hour candle? right here. Yo, this is a Judas, bro. Yo, this is like okay, okay. Okay. I feel like this trade is pretty good. It's a nice mech. I feel like we have a nice sponsorship off of this hourly ITL, like this intermediate low. However, I don't really like this narrative, but um, I feel like this like 5 minute gap is a good target still, cause if we did like want to make the high of this 4 hour candle, then we should like manipulate into this and then distribute lower. And if this is actually the low, then we should just go like this. So either way, we're hitting this gap. Like that's my trade idea basically. And whoops, stop loss is at a safe place. Not being greedy with my stop loss. Wait, what if I move it here? How does it affect the R? Okay, nah, that's not worth it. Just, bro, there's like so many like I've been noticing a lot of unnecessary losses when I keep my stop loss at the body. That's why I try to just keep it at the wick now. This looks pretty clean. All right, I'm taking this. Okay, wait, and I'm going break even when ES takes out. We should like, bro, we should just like run through this. So these are all like just stacked highs. So once we take out this, then we should. I'm gonna go break even. Okay, let's take that. And if I lose this, then I think it's because like my external like narrative is like this. Like this is my internal narrative, my external narrative. Like, well, I just made that word up. I don't even know if that's a proper terminology, but my external narrative is this high, which swept something again. So I don't really like that, but let's just see how this plays out. Okay, I got stopped out. Okay, we're just chopping like crazy. Okay, it's Wednesday and there's FOMC. Okay, that is the mistake of today. I did not realize there was FOMC at 2, bro. I need to open up the Forex factory before I take a trade, bro. Okay, this just okay. So main takeaway from today is okay, after you see okay, and this is like this looks like chop, bro. This doesn't look like clear LR. It just looks like chop. So um this choppy and but I feel like the trade idea was actually pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like it's just because we have FOMC at 2, which I didn't realize that's why this trade didn't play out, but uh, okay, we filled out the gap completely and we are just chopping. Let's see what the FOMC minutes meeting does. Meeting minutes. Do we distribute higher or not? Yeah, we... Okay, whatever. Okay. Alright, so just, yeah, like we just chop, generated all this LR. This is LR, like this is nice, like, my bad. This is nice this is like nice structure to see, like, when you're trying to target LR, like, highs like this, but these are all, like, highs that are, like, super close to each other, right? So this just looks more like chop instead. I don't know, like, yeah. So, okay, yesterday I learned to not target highs and lows that I've swept something, and today I learned to, or like not like yesterday in real life, like yesterday like in this backtesting day, like on Tuesday I learned to not target highs and lows that swept something, and today I learned like another reminder. I've already learned this, but just another reminder: check news before you enter, like before you trade, and we do chop before episode FOMC meeting at any FOMC meeting. Like even though like before I used to think like FOMC meeting minutes like it would be okay to trade on that day because it's meeting minutes. It's not the interest rate one, but it's right in front of you. I've seen this happen like well on multiple days, bro. Like on multiple FOMC meeting minutes days. So just like bank holidays, I should stop trading FOMC meeting minutes or just never trade on like not should no I already don't, but just never trade on FOMC meeting minutes days. Okay, let's check news for the rest of the week. Okay, 8:30 there's unemployment claims tomorrow. Friday, core PC price index just chill, pretty chill. All right, bro. Two 0-2, bro, for the week so far. So minus down like 2% on a hypothetical eval, basically. If I bought an eval in the beginning of this week. Um, my brain just stopped working for a second. Wait, how long is the video so far? It's 25 minutes. Sorry, I'm gonna just end up playing so. Okay. Alright, what is this move down sponsored by? Why are we going down? We are going down because what is that? It's just a swing high, I guess. Yeah, we're like I guess you could say we're delivering off of that. Oh, I'm on ES. Okay, daily chart. Okay, it looks like we're bouncing off of this. Yo, the daily candle does not have a wick lower, bro. That is a good sign. We have a daily for rally gap as well below, but this is the daily time frame, bro. That's I'm kind of zoomed out, but too much. But probably we're delivering from this. We're in this bullish gap. We have been pretty bullish. So where's London high? London high took out Asia high, and we've been delivering from here. So London high. Okay, the daily profile is literally bearish. Should be New York continuation. So New York should. Is this an end dog? Okay, that's nice to see. It's a nice new day opening gap, and yeah, it looks like we're delivering from this buy side right here, and we're delivering from this daily gap, delivering from that high on ES that I showed earlier. So from here, since it's New York continuation, I just like on New York continuation, you're just supposed to look for a continuation long. So we have like these failure swings. I want to see this get taken out, which is also a 15-minute gap. So in my ideally, I want to see something like this happen. We don't take out this. Like I want this as my targets. This looks nice. And then just get like a short here. I'll be open to taking reversal shorts because it follows this bearish trend we're in. Wait, let's also see if we need to rebalance to equilibrium. Yeah, okay, I feel like there's a nice narrative for the shorts on this day. Yeah. Okay, we have SMT with the fair value gap, and this equilibrium lines up nicely with this fair value gap. My bad if I'm like just yapping for no reason. I'm just thinking. I think okay. Let's just let price open up. Okay, we're generating this LR. Okay, do I want a long though? That's the thing. Like, do I want a long? I don't want to go against this. Like, I don't want to trade against the daily profile and stuff. And I feel like we're actually rejecting off of this. If we just look at this daily candle too, like like PO3 on the daily candle, like we have an end dog as well below. Like I feel like shorts. I wanna take shorts. I don't wanna really take longs on this day, but I guess if there's some kind of setup like later on for longs, I might take it. I don't know. You always want to be reactionary. You know what I mean? Okay, we're opening higher, which is good. We're going higher, higher, higher. Okay. Okay, we're about to open up now. Okay, we're dumping. Alright. Okay, made a failure swing with that gap. But again, like we could just be doing from these like relative equal highs, so okay. We took out the target for shorts with no entry, so I'm already like, wait. That happened before market open, right? Yeah, that happened before market open. Yeah, I don't think there was any good entries here. It would have been nice if 9:30 opened up. We formed like that 9:30 like entry where we just open up, get a nice inverse down, and just target this like that would have been really nice to take. But this already looks like a no trading day, bro. Like we just dumped lower. How many points again? Like sure, this is a forex chart, so I don't know if the forex charts show the proper thing, but Yeah. I guess we could. Let's just see what price does here. I don't want to take continuation longs because I'm targeting a low that swept. That's took out the end dog. But if we did not take out end dog, then this would have been. I would have taken this. But yeah. Are there any draws lower? I don't want to force anything, but are there any draws lower? I mean, we have this ITL, intermediate low. Um, I have to go in a bit as well. Shoot, I have to go in like I literally have to go in like 5 minutes, bro. Okay. Okay, I have to like quickly go through this day. Was there? I would have never taken this, bro, cause we're just so discounted. Like we already took our ideal targets. Okay. All right, it's PM session. I'll just move on to the next day. What is that? Oh shoot, there were 8:30. I just realized there was data highs and data lows. Oh. Oh wait, no, data highs were taken out already and data lows. Okay, never mind. All right, let's just move on to the next day. Okay. All right, we could be using this to sponsor moves higher. This hourly intermediate low. We have a okay, longs look pretty nice here. We have a 4-hour unfilled above. Same thing here, bro. Like we could be sponsoring moves higher from this. Like this could sponsor moves higher. We have this huge 4-hour gap above. So nice sponsorship, nice narrative for longs. I'm liking longs right now. Yeah. We took out this LR starting delivering from here. Okay, bro. I actually have to go in a bit. Okay. Okay. Sure. I don't know what to take. I don't know what to look for. Okay. Okay. This looks pretty nice. Okay. Wait. What's the daily profile? Hold on. Daily profile is. Okay. There's a London low. London low Judas. London high. Okay. So I guess it's like Judas. It's like the I don't know if it's called London Judas or New York Judas, but this was like the Judas low of London. Then we ended up getting the true manipulation. So daily profile is telling me bullish as well. Um, or actually, we could be using this to bring that move down, but today looks kind of weird. But okay, no, but like if we like this high, like the objective is done, but this low, the objective is not done yet. So longs look pretty good. I want to see market open lower. Okay, nice. We tapped into a 5-minute ITL. Did not leave a fair value gap to inwards, so no entry here. Would be nice if we go lower, take out. Nice. Huh. Yo, my bad, my mom walked in, but okay, I don't like how we respected this gap first. So this is a ITH now. Okay, let's wait for this 3-minute. Okay, we're getting more resweeps. Don't like this price action. Okay, we just dump lower. And I'm making a failure swing with this low, so shorts look kind of nice now. Okay, 10 a.m. Was there news at 10? Yo, I actually have to go like right now, bro. It's 3:13 from right now. I have to go at 3:15. I have to do something, so okay. We're opening up this for value gap. Okay, I think we took out this high on ES, so we could get a nice mech short. We have this failure swing, which is a nice narrative, but sponsorship wise, like there's no clear sponsorship. So actually, never mind. I don't think longs are that good. I wish we took out this low, man. Like I don't like how we made a failure swing there. I would have been open to long still, but I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I would take anything here. Like a mech short. Yeah, we're not even reversing the gap like quickly. Okay, I guess there's this entry, but you have a high right at your stop loss. That would have been good to take out. I'm fading this because I'm not actually taking this. I'm fading this, but let's just see how this would have played out. What if we have hit break even? You know, you get stopped out because there's a high like right at your stop loss. Like that's the thing. Like I don't like to have like LRL and failed swings on my stop loss. Okay, this just looks like chop now. Okay. There's this entry, but it's kind of late into the session. And I feel like there's a nice narrative, like 15-minute gap. And then like you could just hold to 101. I don't. Okay, the thing about this trade right here is like this could just be like like. It does look like a failure swing though. Wait. Let's look at what the 4-hour candle did. Okay. The 4-hour candle does not have a wick lower, so actually, bro, shorts don't look bad because the 4-hour candle does not have a wick lower. We made a failure swing here. I feel like this trade is pretty good. Mom looked in again, but I mean, I would have already like missed it, but let's just enter here and see how this trade would have played out. I would go break even at this. Okay, break even. Would go break even at internal for sure. Okay, it's not adjusting my. Okay, so break even, and then holy chop. Okay, all right. So okay, that's gonna be it for today. I have to go like right now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.